In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower CPC in Reddit ads. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to bring your cost per click down, using the settings that already exist in the Reddit ads interface, without guessing or overhauling your entire campaign. Start inside your Reddit ads account and begin a new campaign by choosing Create. This takes you into the setup flow where you can control all the key levers that affect pricing and delivery. Instead of using the simplified builder, choose Advanced Create. This view gives you more control over bidding and optimization, which is exactly what we need to influence CPC. Once you're in Advanced Create, scroll down until you find the bidding section. Look for bidding type and choose Cost Cap. When you select it, Reddit will display a recommended range. Think of this range as the platform's guidance based on current auction dynamics for your chosen objective. It's not a mandate, but staying near it usually helps your ads deliver consistently. Now, here's the lever that lowers CPC. Scroll back up to your campaign objective. If you currently have brand awareness or reach selected, you'll typically see higher cost recommendations. Switch the objective to either video views or traffic. These objectives usually tap into auctions with lower average costs, which can make your CPC much more efficient, especially when your true goal is clicks or engaged sessions rather than broad reach. After switching the objective, scroll back down to the bidding section and select Cost Cap again. You should now see a noticeably lower recommended range. This reflects how Reddit adjusts expected costs based on the new optimization goal. Set your cost cap within or slightly below this updated range to guide the algorithm toward cheaper clicks while maintaining delivery. A few quick notes to keep you on track. Cost cap aims for an average cost over time, not a hard ceiling on every single click. If you set it too low, your ads may underdeliver, so begin within the recommended window and adjust gradually. Make sure the objective you choose still aligns with your campaign's end goal. Lowering CPC is great, but only if the traffic quality fits your conversion path. Finally, keep creative, audience, and placements consistent while you make this change so you can clearly attribute the CPC improvement to your bidding and objective settings. With these tweaks, you'll harness Reddit's own recommendations to secure lower CPC without trial and error guesswork.